Hi everybody, Belinda here. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. If you're new, please consider subscribing. You can just click the subscribe button. You'll see it on screen and also below. So I'm working on a 12 by 16 inch today and I've gone ahead and covered in black. I am doing something a little different today, so I'm just hoping it's going to work out. So this is my white bloom recipe, and you can find that step-by-step guide on how to make it. One of the videos of mine, it says bloom recipe step-by-step. Okay, I'm a little nervous about this because I know what I have in mind, but I'm not sure if it's going to work. So I might need, we'll do the first one and see how that one turns out. And over here I have white pearl deco art metallic. So there wasn't much left in here. I just added some floetrol, just because I want to give it a little bit of a sheen. Okie dokie. So we do the first one and see how that turns out, and hopefully I'll get the results that I'm after. Okay, it's pretty close. I just need to blow this in here and blow that in, and probably a little bit there. See, my hair's going in. Just need to make sure. I'm just trying to get the balance right. Right, I'm happy with that. I might need to add something there for an eyeball. Now is the tricky part. Well, there's going to be quite a few tricky parts, but let's see. Okay. So this is because now it's going to be in the other direction. It's not going to be easy. It's probably going to be quite a challenge. Okay. And then, so I will torch that, and I'm sure things will pop up. I can see all sorts of things happening there already. Okay, okay guys, here's the nervous part now. think I need to blow it a bit more this way, otherwise it's not going to match. Okay, so it didn't work out as well as I thought it would, but that's okay because it's not too different. I think I'm going to add a little bit of black here. I need to get rid of that. So I just want to get rid of that piece over there. Get a stick. Okay, I thought I would have to add some more black, but just add a tiny bit. It seems to be not too bad. Okay. Now for the second part. I really wanted these two to be closer. Actually, I think what I'll do is I'm going to add a little bit more here. Let's see if I can just blow that. Oh, that might be a bit too much. So I'll just extend the big part. Okay, I think that's going to be okay. Oh, I like those cells popping up. Let's just give this a bit of a torch. That one seems to be finished. Okay. So I have some red here, and I am going to just add a little beak. And then I'll just take a tiny bit of black and add eyeball. or just an eye slit. Okay guys, I know this is going to be a little bit of a longer one, but I have 3 cups here, 3 little cups, and I'm going to be, hopefully you're in shot, yes, so I'm going to be taking this a little step further, and so this is my Pebeo red. I've added a little bit of black. You can see the difference hopefully in the 2 reds. So this is the original red and that's the darker one. Okay, I have far too much in here. So I'm just going to take out some, take some out, and then I'm going in with the original red color. It might just be too much as well. Can be heavy-handed with these tiny little cups. Okay. So now what I want to do is 3 ring pours. Alright, so I'm just haphazardly doing them. And one more, last one. Right. Okay, so we're not quite finished yet. Let's give that a torch. So who would have thought that putting the white on the black would end up white? Okay, so in here I have a beautiful green with a bit of emerald green of deco art mixed in just to give it a bit of a bling. We give it one more here. And then just to top it all, we just do that, just to give it a bit more realism. Here we go. I love that. I really just want to extend this bird's beak a little bit. Yeah. So that's perfect. It almost looks like this bird is offering that bird the rose, which is kind of what I was after, what I had in my head. Alright guys, sorry, some of it is in partial shadow. I love the way this has turned out. So this over here, this would be the effects of my bloom recipe. And yeah, I think it turned out extremely well. It definitely was what was in my head. And as you can see over here, I have added in the beak and the eyes. And this one here is really, really nice. So it is all white all the way. It's just unfortunately shadow. The roses turned out very well. If I go like this, maybe you'll see it a little bit better. Well guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and please keep well, and if you're interested in any of my art, please contact me on withbade@gmail.com, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys. Bye.